Says pick an animal everyone else must imitate the sound it makes with you as the judge. The person with the best imitation gets to keep this card.
Well, me. But if you think my imitation is good, then I get to keep the card. Okay. Come on.
A bird.
That is a bird. That is a bird. Oh, that's
the
two.
bird.
Ow.
That's like okay. She did more like a yeah. That is a bird.
Like a crow.
Yeah. Ooh. Yeah, it's like a crow. Okay. I should say a specific bird, but I guess.
You should have saw my face.